We're doing our best.
We are departing South Carolina this morning, and I'm following Mr. Womack up to the gas station, and then we're going to hook up there and be on our way to Warthen, Georgia for one night. Hang in there with us. So we are all gassed up, and we are headed to, I know where we're going, but I'm still going to have him say it.
Warthen RV Park, owned by Josh and Amber Gordy, ran by Miss Sophie.
We are on our way, Warthen. So guys, we've made it, and it is raining. So Mr. Womack's unhooking the truck, then we'll get to our spot, get set up, and I'll start cooking. It looks like it's definitely going to be an inside the RV day. So we got here yesterday, the rain was really coming down. But now it's a beautiful morning. The birds are singing. We are parked here next to the covered picnic area. Here we are. We're going to be taking off in a couple hours because we've got something big planned for Big Baby. Stay tuned. So I'm going to show you guys the laundry and shower here at Warthen. There's longer term RVs back there. Laundry facility, they've got an information board here, magazines, information, sink, things for sale if you need them, toilet paper, washers and dryers, a table you could sit at. So very clean, very nice. So this is the laundry facility and restroom here at Warthen RV Park. Just outside the covered picnic area. We have the playground and a volleyball tent, and they are having a pond dug out just past the volleyball area. Hey guys, it is Monday, May 20th, and we are headed to
SafeTPlus. SafeTPlus in Tallapoosa, Georgia. We're getting shocks put on Big Baby so we can have a smooth ride.
And we've been there before, and the last time we went there we got steering.
Oh, the SafeTPlus steering stabilizer help you be able to steer the RV better.
So here we go. See you when we get there. Okay guys, we are at SafeTPlus. There's Big Baby and Baby. And we are here for the night. And we decided, we're tired, but we decided to come out here because the last time we were here, this wasn't back here. And this is really nice that they have this for us to stay here and get our RVs serviced and be able to just have a nice place to, even got a fire pit, but just have a nice place to come and sit. Mr. Womack's over here. Oops, sorry about that, son. Hey, Womack. Chilling?
Beautiful.
You like this spot, don't you?
Mm-hmm. Dog
Got-
bag.
Oh yeah, I got dog bags over there, so you can go out there with your dog. Picnic table's nice. It's that plastic, so it's nice and it's clean.
Mm-hmm.
I noticed the trash can is clean. You know, sometimes trash cans are yucky.
Overflowed.
Yeah, this trash can is clean.
Got a grill.
Yeah, and it looks like the grill's been used. Yeah, this is nice. See, the last time we were here, this was just all field, and it was like they were starting RV spots back here. But they must have changed their minds. Because now they're over there.
Electric and water.
So, you want to tell them what we're getting done tomorrow, or you want to just wait and do it tomorrow?
Yeah, let's just do it tomorrow. Or you know what? So last time we were here, we got the steering stabilizer to help keep you in the lanes from the RV because they use flimsy ones. And tomorrow we are getting Koni Shocks, which is high-powered shocks, super shocks that helps with the bumps in the road. So we're going to ride smoothly west.
All the way west, y'all.
Yeah, we're on our way.
Right across the street is a golf course. It's really pretty. This is the front of SafeTPlus. Tallapoosa. Tallapoosa, Georgia. I like saying Tallapoosa for some reason. Get ready to pull it in and get started this morning on our Koni Shocks, as Matt from Matt's RV Reviews would say. Koni Shocks. It's going to be the gold FSD. They'll kind of look like this, but they have a pin on each end. So, and they're gold. They're gold FSD Konis.
Okay, yeah. Are they they're good?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. The
So-
Konis are hydraulic shocks, which is a two-way valving. So they help smooth the ride, going over bumps, and you know that you probably feel a lot of harshness right now because there's gas shocks on there. So the hydraulics just a smoother, pleasant ride.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you'll tell the difference.
Awesome. This is Tammy.
Hi everybody. Well, that was a super quick installation. Our appointment was at 8. They took us in a few minutes early. It's 9:14 and Big Baby is ready to roll.